Arnica Montana. This drug is from composite family and the common name is leopard's bane. Ailments from for bad effects resulting from mechanical injuries. The very commonly we see the road traffic accidents. In children, the fall in the school or in household work, the fall in the staircase, in the bathroom, there arnica is indicated. Or even if a person is complaining of pain because of the injury which has been received long years ago, please prescribe Arnica Montana. Constitution, nervous woman, sanguine plethoric persons, lively expression of the face and red face is Arnica. And this is a very great drug which is adapted for the persons who has received any type of mechanical injury in the lifetime or an accident in the lifetime. Please remember Arnica Montana. In mind, there is unconsciousness. When spoken to the patient who is unconscious, he even answers correctly, it's Arnica. But after that, again he goes into deeper unconsciousness and simultaneously the delirium returns. Another mysterious drug, Baptisia, where when the patient is asked, he just continue with the sentence and stops in between the sentence and becomes unconscious. Arnica patient normally says that nothing has happened with him. The generalities, there is sore, lame, bruised feeling all over the body as if beaten. Traumatic affections of muscles where you easily see in the road traffic accident or slipping of the bike and bike accidents. This is a very usual experience where there is a trauma to the muscles and ligaments. Nervous, cannot bear pain. The whole body is oversensitive. Is Arnica. Everything on which he lies feels hard. He complains of it and that's why he just changes from one position to other position to get some soft spot to lie on. The part which is rested upon feels sore and bruised. In Baptisia and Pyrogen, both of these drugs has got septic condition or the septicemias. The one who wants to move constantly for a relief of pain is Rustox. In Arnica, there is heat of upper part of body and the lower part of body is cold. Either the face or head is hot and rest of the body is cold, or only the face is very hot and rest of the body might be cool, is Arnica. Now we'll talk about injuries of Arnica. Please remember, this is a very specialized drug in homeopathy which is meant for injuries. Mechanical injuries, especially the stupor from the concussion. Concussion happens because of head injury. So in that case, please do the CT scan of head, which is very necessary and urgent requirement of the moment. These are the golden hours in the life of the patient who suffer from a very bad accident. Before starting Arnica, please go for the CT scan. Involuntary passage of feces and urine. Arnica is a very great drug for injuries appeared from the blunt objects. This is a great drug for compound fractures with suppuration. Concussion and contusion from result of shock or injury. Arnica is a great drug for lacerated wounds, especially of the soft parts of the muscles, as well as this will stop the suppuration. Arnica avoids septic condition. Head, this is indicated for hydrocephalus in children with coldness of the forearm of the child, eyes and vision, conjunctival or retinal hemorrhage with extravasation from injuries, either head injuries or fall on the face, as well as from the cuff. Stomach and abdomen, belching and erectations, howl, putrid like a rotten egg, dysentery with ischia, and there is a fruitless urge to pass the bowels. Constipation, rectum is loaded with the feces, but the fecal matter will not come out. Even it comes out, it just comes out in a shape of the ribbon like stools, which is because of prostatic enlargement. The prostate puts pressure on the rectum and anal sphincter, and which produces ribbon like motions. Likewise, in females, even a retroverted uterus plays the same role and can produce the ribbon like motions. Now, the central nervous system of Arnica Montana, this is a very important part of Arnica. Meningitis after mechanical injuries or after fall on head, like which happens in road traffic accidents and especially the bike accidents. Traumatic injuries to the head, so please wear helmet every time. When there is a suspicion of exudation or hemorrhage inside the cranium, or if it is seen on the CT scan, Arnica Montana will help to absorb that blood when prescribed, even though during the accidental or the emergency hours of accidents. Apoplexy, there is loss of consciousness. Involuntary evacuation of feces and urine after accident. Paralysis, left-sided paralysis. Pulse is full and strong where the patient is muttering. The extremities of Arnica, gout and rheumatism, with there is a great fear that someone will come and touch them. They are afraid of mixing in the public. Cannot walk straight or erect because of the pain in the pelvic region. So they walk stoopingly. One can suspect like a patient of ankylosing spondylosis, but in that case they are just afraid of their pelvic pains. Female reproductive system, soreness of the pelvic parts after labor. Arnica is a great drug which prevents PPH, postpartum hemorrhage, and puerperal complications. Means after delivery, if a lady gets fever or any septic condition to the cesarean section wound or to the episiotomy wound, please consider Arnica Montana. Arnica is again recommended for females who has got retention of urine after delivery. Skin, there is tendency to small boils which appear repeatedly on the body after one part to another part. Extremely sore. In sulfur, small boils appear in the crops. Also, from the birth of homeopathy or invention of Arnica Montana in the mother tincture form, it is used for the external application for the baldness, to regrow the hair or to preserve the hair follicles, and for long hairs, that is mixed with the oils. Nowadays, lot of homeopathic oils which are prepared from the Arnica Montana, they are available in the market. Aggravation at rest, when lying down and because of wine, and amelioration from contact and motion. That's all about Arnica Montana. Please keep watching Homeopathy in 2 minutes for students. Thank you.